the mailbox, and I got a bunch of packages, and I wanted to open them live with you guys. These are all the items that I've gotten from the TikTok shop, and I wanted to just show you that they come. I haven't had any issues yet. That would be kind of embarrassing if I all of a sudden have an issue while I'm on the live. So we'll see. But this is my first impression. As you guys can see, I'm opening it up with my key. So just, you know, tune in with me. I think I have like 4 different packages from the TikTok shop. So let's get into it and see what I got and see how the quality came. So far, like I said, I haven't received any, I haven't experienced any major issues with the TikTok shop. It all has come on time. It's all not come damaged, and they're very communicative. Ooh, okay. If you don't have this in your life, if you don't have turmeric in your life, you don't even have to necessarily get this one if you don't want to like take capsules. But turmeric is one of those things that you have to get into your toolkit of health supplements, healthy lifestyle, whatever it is. You need to have turmeric. And the biggest thing is that, okay, so turmeric usually has an issue with being able to be absorbed. So you have to make sure that there's a high level of absorbency in it. So this is turmeric, curcumin, and let's see what else. So it says to take 3 capsules daily with food. That's kind of a lot. I don't know if I would take 3. So right now I actually just take turmeric powder, mix it with some black pepper. And when you mix turmeric and black pepper together, it helps you absorb the turmeric a lot better. But this one already has, see, okay. So if you're ever getting a turmeric supplement, you have to make sure that it has some kind of black pepper with it. No one would ever know that. Just, you would have to be told or taught that. Or like if you were just into researching these kinds of things on your own. So turmeric root, and then it says it has black pepper extract. So that's perfect. So like I said, I didn't even read the back of that yet. You have to have it with some kind of pepper. So this is turmeric. This is going to be available on my TikTok shop. As you can see, I don't have anything linked because I don't know what is in these packages. I'm just doing an unboxing with you guys on live. So I'm super excited about this. I will definitely take this. This will also be really good to travel with as well. Because I actually have I've done that before where I've traveled with turmeric, like in like a paper bag, and it literally busted open and got all over everything. And for those of you who aren't familiar with turmeric or have experience with it, it's a very potent, beautiful, like rich yellow orangey color, and it just will stain, but it also helps you whiten your teeth. It's interesting. It'll help you whiten your teeth, but it stains everything. So anyway, so that's my first impression there. So I'm going to open up this next package. So again, this is my first impression. I just came from the mailbox, and so I'm just opening up my stuff from the TikTok showcase. I do have, this is on my TikTok showcase, so you can check that out. You can just click the link in the bio. Okay, so this is my next one. I don't know what's in here, and like I was saying, I've never had an issue with the TikTok shops. All the sellers are very communicative. They all have some kind of return policy, so I have no idea. I'd be pretty embarrassed if it was like, oh yeah, this is my first time having an issue, but so far we're good. So one down. Okay, next supplement. Okay, magnesium. Magnesium is one of the most deficient minerals in human bodies in America. I don't know about the rest of the world, but in America, about 80% of citizens are lacking magnesium. So this is definitely one that you're going to want to take. Of course, go, consult with your doctor, go get your levels checked. If you're not deficient in magnesium, I just know I am a lot of times, because I mainly eat plant-based and vegan. So a lot of vegans and plant-based eaters are like, because the food variety is a lot smaller, we don't get as much nutrients unless you make it a point to be aware and cognizant of it. So like super excited about this. So this one, it says it helps with bone health, muscle health, nerve function, energy, cognitive function, heart and heart health. So magnesium is like the foundation for so many different functions in the human body. So that's why you got to make sure that you're not depleted in magnesium. Also, to another natural way, if you're like, I'm not really into pills, you can definitely eat, I also do this, you can eat Brazilian nuts. So again, this is something I would travel with. I would probably travel with these two, because I'm not going to really necessarily be, I might just get hungry traveling with with Brazilian nuts. So this is really good for me to travel with. But when I'm at home, I just like to eat natural. Okay, so these are also on my TikTok shop, and on YouTube. These will also be linked down below in the description. So let's open up my next package. Let's see what we have. Can you guys see? Okay, yeah, I'll keep it here just to... Okay, so next one. So we're 2 for 2. Yes, it is very good for you. Also, too, make sure to follow. If you guys aren't following me already, you got to make sure to follow. Tap in. I'm always dropping gems about health, fitness, mindfulness. And, you know, we can all learn from each other. You might teach me something and have me try something out. And then maybe there might be something that I'm telling you that you haven't heard of. It says, are you in Texas? So I am not in Texas. I'm in California. I'm a Cali girl. Ooh, okay. I'm excited about this. Okay. So this is huge. If you're not taking care of your self-care, like your mental care, like, what are you doing? It's 2024. You got to make sure to, like, just take care of your mental. I was a caregiver for my grandmother for 6 years, and she had dementia. It was a very, very difficult journey. I really had to go out of my way to stay on top of my mental health, because there's a reason why families put their loved one in a facility. And they do it, I would like to believe that most people do it out of love, because it is a very difficult journey. And if you don't have a whole squad or a whole village, which I didn't, just because everybody lives different places. It was just mainly me and my mom taking care of my grandma, and it was just tough. So journaling was like the biggest life-saving, just getting through tough moments. This was an amazing tool. I've been journaling since I could write, since I was 5 years old. So definitely make sure to tap in. And this one caught my attention because, let's actually open it together. Let's see what else. Okay, so let me see if I can open this up. Let me see. Okay, here we go. Okay. All right. Okay, so this one caught my attention. Number one, it's cute. It's pretty. I love this color. It's kind of like a taupe color. And when I was reading it, there's all these different steps that you can take. So if you're someone where you're like, I don't really know where to start, like with your journey of writing in a journal, and you're like, I don't even know what to write. First of all, there's no correct thing. It's just, it can literally be like written off the lines. It can be written in like a brainstorming form. I hope my phone is not overheating. Okay. So there's no real rule when it comes to writing in a journal. But if you do want some direction and some structure, this one has action steps that you can take, and it just gives you guidance and helps you get organized. So I'm really, really excited to dive into this. And, you know, those days of being a caregiver are behind me, and I am so grateful and thankful that I went through that journey with my grandmother, because I learned so much. But now that I'm on the other side of that, it's still important to take care of your mental health, even when you're in a good spot. Like, that's when you should take care of it the most, is when you are in a really, really healthy space mentally, and you're just, you know, whether even if you have things, life always is going to have one area where it needs improvement, right? That's just part of life. But if you're overall doing good, lean into your mental health even more, so that way when things go bad, you have the tools to be able to still have yourself, you know, keep yourself afloat. Okay. So, ooh, I'm like really excited about this. I'm really excited about this. It has like a plan. I also, if you're into digital digital calendars. I have a calendar that's on sale right now. I'm obsessed with it. I use it every day to organize my day. So that's really cool as well. So if you're just into organizing, like, you know, for your to-do list, or if, you know, for work, I use it for everything, honestly. You can talk into it. You can leave voice memos in it. You can, everything you can do with like a calendar that you can write in. Like if you had stickies and all that, there's a digital version. So you can click the link in my bio for that. It says hyperlinked digital calendar, and it's actually 50% off. I was able to get it. I was able to have the seller that gave it to me allow me to give it to away for 50% off. So I'm really excited about it. So definitely tap in. With this is amazing. It's going to be on my TikTok shop. There's a lot of different templates that you could just follow and easily write down what you need to get done. Okay. So that's going to be linked for anyone on YouTube. You can check that out as well. All right. So last package. Let's see here. Sorry, it like fell. Okay. Last one. Bam. Let's see. We're 3 for 3 with no issues with my stuff showing up from the TikTok shop. So let's see what it is. Let's see what it is. Let's finish with 4 for 4 today. And I like just being like, not only doing it live on a video, because you could still cut stuff out on a, like when you're just doing it like on a video, normal video recording, but I'm on live. So there's no hiding. There's no editing or cutting anything out. So let's see. Okay, so this is what I received. Okay. All right, okay. So it's jewelry. All right, so no issues so far. Okay. Ooh, pretty. So it's from, how do you say this? It's spelled like Valley, but with the O in it. I'm just going to say Valley Rover, but I don't think it's Valley Rover. It's literally spelled Valley with a O in it. So Valley Rover. So cute little box. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. I love jewelry, as you can see. I got my rings, my earrings. I love jewelry. Just like subtle hints of jewelry. Sometimes I do like to have like a big statement piece. But you know, this will do. Okay. All right. Ooh, this is cute. Cute. Okay, so cute. I love it. Oh. Okay. All right. So that just fell out of the side. So make sure. This is super cute. I love it. Super cute. Pretty. And it has like this cute little heart on it. Or is that a heart? Kind of, oh, it's just like a rock heart. But I like this. It's really nice quality. It's like heavy. So this is also in my TikTok shop as well. The quality is really nice. And I'm actually like, yeah, I like the length on it too. Let's see. The length would be like that. Yeah, I'm here for that. So cute. So definitely tap in with this. And then you can, it also comes with another necklace to layer it with. So let's open this up. My nails sometimes get in the way. Again, make sure to like, make sure to subscribe. Okay. Cute. So, super cute. And then you just layer it with this. So it's like this really beautiful layered combination. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear like a super cute outfit with this. I love it. I love it. I love it. So definitely make sure to tap in. This will be on my TikTok shop, and it's just pretty. It's pretty. I think it's literally the kind of thing that goes with everything. So definitely make sure to tap in with this. So we're 4 for 4, guys. No issues. So definitely make sure to follow if you're not following already. And then you're also going to want to make sure to check out my TikTok shop. Check these things out. Check out what else I have. There's some really, like, this is my prediction, you guys. So, you know, maybe someone can, like, just be my backup, my witness to saying this. And someone probably else has already said it, but I don't care. I haven't heard anyone else say it. I wouldn't be surprised if Amazon and TikTok pair up at some point. Somehow Amazon's going to get involved, because things are showing up just as good, just as high of quality for a half of the price, a third of the price. Like, it's great. Like, these leggings, you guys, that I have on, I'm obsessed with them. I bought them, my first pair of these, I bought 4 or 5 years ago, and I bought them for $35 on Amazon. These are $5 now on TikTok. It's the same, arguably better. Like, I think just like whoever started creating these just got better with the cut in general. I don't think it's a TikTok or Amazon thing, but these are literally fire as hell, fire as F, fire as fuck. And I'm just shook that they're only $5. So you can get a pair in every single color, and just look fire at the gym. So definitely check these out. I have hundreds of other things on my TikTok shop, so definitely check it out. And let's see, yeah, so this is, got the turmeric, I got the magnesium, I got my journal, I got cute jewelry. Like, we're just gonna be cute and minimal, but like luxury and sexy and edgy and like bold. And then it doesn't matter, we're just gonna be everything in 2024. So definitely tap in. Does anyone have any questions about any of the stuff that I showed you guys today? Does anyone have any questions? Also, too, these will all be linked, like I said, down in the description if you're on YouTube. Also, make sure to follow. If you haven't, make sure to subscribe, and catch me on the next one. Bye.